So here we've got our ColorVu Hikvision network camera. So this camera can actually do full color, 24 hours no matter what time of the day. So this particular camera is a DS-2CD2347G1 and it's a 2.8mm lens, 4MP camera. So we'll just open this up and see what we get. So we've got our drill template guide, manual and CD. Got a security screw tool. Got our stainless steel 4 screws and some wall plugs. Got our rubber grommet, good measure safety, moisture satchel. So we've taken a look at the camera, it's the front of the view. So actually got some white light LEDs here with your lens, so if there's no light available, these white lights will actually come on. Top of the unit here we've got our micro SD and reset button. Plastic shroud. Side of the camera. Adjustment screw. I'm going to flip this over. So it's actually 3-axis, so you can move this in 3 different directions to get the right angle. RJ45 plug and a DC jack input. So yeah, that's the ColorVu Hikvision 4MP camera.